Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the counter. Present your photo ID and locker contract so staff can verify you. Once they confirm identity, sign any guest log and collect the keys or token. Make sure to ask about time limits and restrictions. You should also check access hours and whether you must book a slot. This prevents waiting. Finally, listen while they explain dual control procedures so you understand how both customer and bank officer manage the lock. You proceed with the escorted access. A bank officer will accompany you to the vault and observe opening for security. Once there, insert the key or use the token while the officer turns the secondary control. This two-person process prevents tampering. You should remove or add items using a tray to avoid dropping valuables and update your locker passbook or log immediately so records match. If you need to change the key, ask about replacement costs and procedures. You finish by locking the locker and ensuring the bank officer confirms closure and initials the log. This provides mutual record. Once done, verify the passbook or receipt shows withdrawals or deposits accurately and keep that receipt safe. If a key is lost or the lock resists, stop and notify staff. Make sure to follow bank rekey procedures and file a written request. A single troubleshooting tip: if the lock sticks, do not force it. Request officer assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.